guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how my house looks for fall. It is already December 10th today, and I have not got rid of my pumpkins and stuff, but we're about to do that right now. But before I do, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of how my home looks like. I haven't showed you all my, so I'm gonna show you guys my dining room first, and then we're gonna go into the living room. So this is what we got going on. Super simple. I put the 3 chairs back there because I felt like it was a lot more stable for Rosa. Show you guys my new table. That's my new table. Everything is going to be linked down below. You guys are interested in anything that I'm showing you, just go to the description box and you'll find it there. I know I have a lot of flowers, a lot going on right now. Yeah, it is a lot. But like I said, I'm about to clean up so that I can start decorating for Christmas, because it is December 10th, you guys, and I cannot believe that I still have my pumpkins out. We haven't got a tree yet, but we're planning on doing it probably tomorrow. And I'm gonna talk a little bit about the chairs that I have. So if you guys remembered, a company sent me 2, and then they didn't send me the rest of the chairs like the agreement was. So I had to buy 4 extra chairs from Amazon. They are really nice. In my opinion, they're a little too light. They haven't got dirty yet, and I'm not babying the chairs or nothing like that, because I do plan on getting maybe in the future some beige ones, because I really like the color beige. I feel like with the table and the gray chairs, the room looks kind of dark. Actually, let me just put in a little bit more light so that you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So it does look kind of dark here in this room with the new chairs and the dining table. So I do plan into getting new chairs maybe in a couple years, 2 to 3 years. And the table, you guys, I love the table. You can make it into 3 different sizes. Right now I have it at the smallest. I'm gonna insert a clip so that you guys can see how my dining room looked when it was Thanksgiving. All of that stuff that it's over there, it was actually on my table. It was really nice, and the setup was completely different. I keep changing, and right there I keep putting a mirror, and then I take it off, and then I put a picture. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how I like it best. This is really pretty. I got it from Marshall's, and I believe I paid only 15 bucks. I didn't have a chance to do a haul, so I just put it up there. Okay, so you guys have seen my little sea gallery pumpkin. I tried getting more after Thanksgiving, but unfortunately they didn't have anything online. But I was told that after Christmas is when you try to look for the pumpkins, and you can find them for as low as $3 or even $2. So I'll keep an eye on that, and I'll try my best to find them, because I do want a little bit more pumpkins. I would like to have maybe 3 to 4 more pumpkins. And this right here, you guys have seen it. I actually have 2 big ones, but they're in my makeup room. Alright, now let me show you what I have on this side, which is all of the pumpkins. Please don't judge me. I know my house is a mess. Over here we have pumpkins. These are from Burlington. Over there we have Sea Gallery, the Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys remember this little squirrel that I got for Leo. Super cute. These flowers, I've been having them for many years. I remember when I first bought this flower arrangement, I want to say like 6 months in, and the little what's it called, the material right there, I want to say is kind of like the jelly became yellow. So I kind of want to get rid of the base, and I do want to keep the flowers because the flowers are really pretty. And they look like new, honestly. So the base, I might have to break it to get rid of that. If you know any other way that I can do it without having to break the glass, let me know in the comments down below. If not, that's what I'm going to end up doing, just breaking the whole thing. Because I tried pulling this. So I tried pulling it up, but it's not coming off. So I'm thinking that might be my best option. But anyways, if you know any other way, let me know. Moving on, over here I have my Target pumpkins. This one's right here. And then my Burlington pumpkins. And over here we have a chair. So this is pretty much it, you guys. This is my dining room decor. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. You guys, I try to keep this place so nice and clean, but as soon as the kids wake up, especially Leo, I have to say it's Leo, it becomes a mess. And by the way, I do plan on getting a chandelier, hopefully next year. I'm not sure when, but I do want a chandelier. The thing is, I am not a big fan of the way this house is set up. I don't like it. Honestly, I don't like it. And I feel like if I want to take a picture from the different angle, which I'll show you, my kitchen comes in the picture, and that's the reason why you always see me taking pictures from this angle. And I just don't like it, but I have to work with what I have, and for now it's good. But hopefully in the future we get to have a better home that doesn't look like this, that I can actually enjoy it from every angle, not like it is now. But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful home, no matter what. Okay, so this is the angle that I'm talking about. Like, my kitchen is like over there, and I don't like it. Okay, so this is my dining room. And then another thing too that I dislike, I guess I'm gonna complain to you guys, is that we have the garage door right there. And even if I want to take a picture like this, my garage door is there. And if I want to take a picture from the other angle, which is this angle, my stairway is there. And then my little office is right there where I edit. So yeah, this is my dining room. I don't think I'll be able to show you guys during the day because I do want to get everything going so that I can decorate tonight, and tomorrow we can go pick up the tree. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my living room. You guys have been waiting for this for the longest. So I don't know if I should do a separate video. Should we do a separate video? Okay, let's cut it right here, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I'm going to show you my dining room in a separate video so that I can give you guys more details. But this is what we have, and the next time you see it is going to be more Christmassy. So I ordered the placemats from a Sea Gallery on Black Friday, the ones that are made out of glass. I don't want to say glass, mirror. There you go, mirror. They have not gotten here, and it's already been 3 weeks, so I don't understand what's going on. I checked my email, and it says that it's still pending, that it's on its way, but I'm just thinking to myself, what is taking so long? Because it's been already 3 weeks since Black Friday. So I really don't understand what's going on. But anyways, so yeah, my floors are gray, so you can't really tell when it's dirty. Although I do clean them every day. I mop them 2 times a week. Leo is no longer crawling. Athena's not crawling yet. So for us, it works fine. The table, you guys, I'm obsessed with the table. It's so pretty. I love the little swirling. Make something different there. Like, I'm not sure if I want a mirror because I do not like the reflection of the kitchen there. So I might put some shelves or maybe a picture, I don't know, but not a mirror. I did think about placing a mirror right here, which I have done it before, but it doesn't convince me either because I don't like the reflection of the stairway. I just don't like the railings. Is that what they're called? Railings? I feel like they're really old and it's not really my style. So I'm also going to be adding some clips on how my dining room decor was for Thanksgiving. So I'll add those after this. So if you guys are interested in seeing how it looked, stay tuned and watch the extras. Okay, so one thing I did explain to you guys, this table, you can expand it into 3 different sizes. Right now is the smallest. You add one thing in the middle and like a little extra piece of wood, and it becomes a little bigger, and then you can also add another one, which it would be 2, and it gets super huge. For Thanksgiving, I did add 1 piece only, and it was really nice. Like I said, I'll add some clips so that you guys can see. If you're interested in watching my living room tour, over there, Be sure to check out my next video coming up. And this right here, you guys, is my little office. I'm gonna do a close-up and show you some of my favorite pictures. If you look closely, which I'm gonna show you inside there, Leo put some of his toys. Leo. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this dining room tour. It took me a long time to get rid of my decor because, as you all know, I went to Philadelphia with Rosa. We went to the doctor, and I'll be doing the vlog pretty soon. I'll let you guys know as soon as it's ready. I'll definitely post it and let everyone know on Instagram as well. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this dining room tour. Guapo! Hi, Guapo! Whoa, 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 whoa. Qué guapo.